How to remove green screen in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up CapCut on a device. Then tap on new project. Now select the video where you want to put it as a base. Then tap on add. Instagram story. Now wait for the video to compress. Now once completed, wait for some time. Then tap on overlay. Then tap on add overlay. Now select the green screen video and tap on add. Now at the bottom menu simply scroll to the right and find remove BG. Now simply tap on it. Then tap on Chroma Key. Now select the green color. Then tap on next. Then tap on export. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.